It was a cracker of a start to Goa Professional League 3. Big hits, a few big name players and 9 runs of the final over was just the way to kick off GCA's T20 tournament. Dempo scored just 138 batting first and had Sarvodaya on the back foot till Darshan Missile stole it for the Sangay-based side. Poor fielding let Dempo down. Over in the other match of the day, NRB GCA Stars beat GCA Academy Stars. The tournament that kicked off on Sunday will go on for 3 weeks at the Goa Cricket Academy ground.
Batting first, Dempo managed to put up 138 runs in their allotted 20 overs. But that would always be a task for Sarvodaya Royals to chase given the star-studded bowling lineup Dempo boasts of. Suraj Dongre started things off in style for Sarvodaya, but Robin D'Souza also picked up an early wicket. Former Rajasthan Royals and Pune Warriors left-arm slinger Kamran Khan came on from the other end for Dempo and was immediately in action. Then from the other side, Robin D'Souza was setting up Suraj Dongre to play the cut shot. Suraj Dongre eventually did, but a catch drop frustrated Dempo skipper's chances and Suraj went on to play a man-of-the-match innings. Kamran Khan bowled Rahul Kenny and got his first wicket of the competition. Regan Pinto and Suraj Dongre then did well through the middle overs and steadied the proceedings for Sarvodaya. Kamran Khan was bowling well and had his tail up. But soon he dented his confidence with this drop chance. Former Sarvodaya Royal skipper once again brought his side back in the match as he bowled Regan Pinto with a fine slower one. Out came Sarvodaya's teenage skipper Darshan Missile and turned the match on its head when the team needed 26 runs of the last 2 overs. Sarvodaya Royals then needed 9 runs in the final over and some poor fielding once again helped them get it without many worries. Sarvodaya Royals won the inaugural match of GPL 3 in style. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Panji.
Welcome back. Now news from sports. Petroleum Sports Promotion Board held their nerve and narrowly edged past Railway Sports Promotion Board to win the Fomento's 32nd National Chess Team Championship. It was a nail-biting finish in the Women's Team Championship as well, but D. Harika's Airports Authority team beat Bhakti Kulkarni's Air India in the tiebreaker to lift the title. A record number of 53 teams participated in the open section, while 12 teams took part in the women's category. Over 300 chess players battled it out over the week-long tournament played at Club Gaspadais at Miramar.
Tennis the Gaspadais. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you all today. Of entries in both the sections were more than 60 teams and more than 300 players, not counting the coaches and managers, participated in this tournament. Goa in the last 1 year has played host to 2 nationals and 2 rating tournaments and players from all over India have participated.
I'd like to congratulate Goa Chess Association doing this wonderful event here. The air-conditioned halls, everything was so wonderful. As a player, I must say that I like to play again in Goa.
I have to place on record that Fomento Resources is really privileged for the opportunity provided by the Goa Chess Association to join hands for the conduct of the 32nd National Chess Championship. But I know chess is a very complex, interesting, fascinating game for those who know it and for those who love it. And that's why, chess or any game has to be played without tension of winning.
Soumya Swaminathan won the 3rd best board, Mary Ann Gomes won the 2nd best board, while Harika Drunavali won the best board in the women's category. Sekhar B was the 3rd best board in the open category. Ram S. Krishnan was the second best board, while Grandmaster Sasikaran was the best men's board. The women's team title was backed by Airports Authority of India. Bhakti Kulkarni's Air India came in second, while Petroleum Sports Promotion Board came in third. In the coveted Open Team Championship, PSPB won the title. Followed by Railways Team A, while the Railways Team B came in third. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.